Let's learn how to change our Instagram password if we've forgotten our old password. So open Instagram on your device and log out of your Instagram profile in order to go to this login page. Now click on Forgot Password right here and it will take you to this page. You have two options right here. Since you forgot your old password, you can add your username or email address or your phone number that is linked to that specific Instagram account. So once you have done that, click on Next and Instagram will send you a verification code through your email or through your phone number. When they send you the verification code, you have to enter that code so that Instagram can confirm your identity and you will be able to log into your Instagram account. You can add a new password, and from there, since they have verified that it's you that's trying to log in, you can change your Instagram password without entering your old password. So if this video was helpful, leave a comment down below and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this in the future.